So by box, by the skate, I think you can tell what this video is going to be. Then it says in the title, obviously. So, been using the Superleggeras version 1 quite a while. Was lucky enough to be on the list for like the first batch of the, I think we're calling it Superleggeras 2, V2. All right, they're finally here, so it's been a while, so let's get it open. All right, I get to play it. Always does a great job boxing these things. It's like everything's always like nice bag, like the plating is perfect. All right, so see that all my videos always go into the stuff first. All right, so now with the bags, these are actually insanely handy to carry like little extra parts and pieces. I can carry like one of these is full of just laces now. Let's see what we got this time. Yep. All of his custom one-off hardware. You guys can see it's one of his special Quattro bolts. I've actually looked at the machining of these. It is incredible. Like all the intricate details in these. I can't quite see it, but these are awesome. What else we got in the bag? Yes, another tool. Once again, you see the name brand? These are really nice, much better than my rollerblade tool that I stripped all my stuff with forever. All right, another bag of hardware, standard ones, and stickers, and the new logo. Yes, I know it looks a lot like the Wizards skating logo, but I don't know, but it's real clean. Like, I'm down. I feel it. All right, so bag one. What else we got? Oh, we got a box. Oh yeah, so, yeah, I thought it was sweet. So, I got these in every pair of GTOs I've gotten. 3 pairs of them I've destroyed so far. Yes, I know. I never did get a Quattro frame. I've got a lot of carbon frames, and the original frames that I got with my first pair of GTOs like 5-6 years ago now, they're still holding up. They're really super well made, so I didn't feel a need, but with these, I really wanted to be able to go back and actually try it with these ones as well and see how they hold up by comparison to those other frames. So I finally had an opportunity, and yeah, this should be done. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh. Yeah, the fit and finishes on these is just, man, the machining in this is incredible. Fully coated. So I went with the 84, 90, 90. I got some of the Jump Voodoo Pro wheels I'm gonna be rocking with these. Yeah, that should be a bright white wheels on it. That should be, I'll post some pictures once I get it all put together. It'll be pretty sick. I can't wait to see how much adjustment I get left and right. I know I get a lot of forward and back, but I'm curious to know how much side to side I get. I'll post more of those soon, so let's get the other one. Yeah, as always, again, the packaging, oh, it's so nice. Machining is so good on these. Spacing padding. So do these last because have to do it last. Although, these the bags not too. And they are actually good for your heat molding. Used them on these. Used them on a pair of Intuition liners. This bag is actually really helpful for that kind of stuff. All right. Okay. More on that later. All right. And yes, do put my laptop in this. It's actually really handy for that. And the other one I've got to use for a documents holder. It actually is really nice to have like all the skate stuff I've ever gotten online. The only one who's ever read the instruction manuals for a pair of FR1s, I've actually read it. And for the FR3s, I read the manual. So I actually used this guy right here to hold all those manuals I picked up. Anyway. Certificate. Your meat club. Pieter built them all. Signed, autographed, everything. I got SP010. So I'm in number 10. I should look to see which one I am on the supers. I know I'm in like the top 10 for those as well for that one. That's pretty cool actually. All right, what else we got? Speaking of directions and manuals, this is the how to heat mold them correctly, which he has pretty good videos online. Like, highly recommend those. Okay, yeah, I'll get right on that with you guys. The book. Let's see. Oh, okay. Some of the pictures he's released about the build. He's actually done a couple of these on his Instagram, like really good teaser shots. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's a build over sheet for it. That's really cool. It's all handwritten and hand signed and everything. See, it's got a service history. So here's the thing where you can send these back for like some repairs and some finishings and stuff. I haven't done that with these, as you can see, but they're all scratched up. We can I'll do a comparison thing later on about these versus those. I've been asked to do it, so we'll get there. These aren't stock anymore because I remember having to modify and stuff. Anyway, so it's got a service sheet and stuff. So it is genuinely like a car manual. That's really freaking nice job, Peter. I like that. Oh, okay. Then we got the classic. We got a Polaroid. You actually see old classic Polaroid. I'm amazed you can still get these too. It's like hard prints to come by. Nice. Okay. I'll have to get on all this documentation later. All right. The big one. I've seen what these look like online. It's been like, I think one guy who's posted them so far, but you never can tell. I mean, Peter, yeah, did yourself, dog. All I can do is I want to keep looking back and forth between them. I know I'm supposed to do a comparison video later because I've got them so I can do it, but just, man. Okay. The next one. The next one. I don't even know if it's all showing up in videos and stuff. Like I said, I'll take some more photos or something at a later point, but like, there's so many little things on this thing. He talks about there's a slider piece in here, like on a hockey skate, to help make the lacing and the tongue stay better. The upgraded little rubber piece right here. All the slide protector things are so nice, and I love the gap back here because it's supposed to help with flexibility and the fact that you actually don't need this material. And it's cushy too. We'll have to see how that goes with heat molding with the liner. I'm really curious about that because he said that was like one of the main upgrades he did was the liner on this one by comparison to this one. The shell's even slightly different. You can, I don't know if this it didn't really show up very good in photos, but there's a line right here that it sticks out a little further than the rest of the boot, and it's right where the laces go, so you don't have to have like little eyelets in it, and it just makes it where it looks like where I can pull the laces a lot tighter and easier. He does it on this side too. Like on the original ones, it was sort of on one side, but wasn't on the other side at all. The symmetry looks so good. Man. And then, of course, the new logo up there. Just this nice, thick piece of leather on here. Man, I mean, so I'm gonna take better pictures at some point, but see the finish. And it's got a more matte finish than these guys do. These ones came and they were a matte, but it was like a gloss matte. And it had no, it was smooth. These have actually got this like, I don't know, once again, like with the frames, you can hear the finish. You can't even, it doesn't look like it sounds. That's just awesome. And these are so, the plates in here, that it's so much thicker, and they're supposed to be able to be removable too. I'll have to test that at some point, because inevitably I'll break it and strip it. I know. Damn. Man. Well, I really need to start crying. Okay. Unboxing video complete. I've got so much now I want to do. I want to test and work on them, and I promise I will not hack them up. Like, unless I have to modify them to make it fit, I'm not going to do anything to them. I want to go ahead and start skating on them. I want to start testing the frames. I'll try to, I don't post videos very well, but I'll try to make sure I post some pictures and like bits and pieces and try to get some data. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I hope more people get some skates like these, and I hope more people get the GTOs. I just did, though this is from last year, but this was the 24-hour race down in Miami. Everybody should go. I did 312 miles in a pair of GTOs, and they hold up just fine. They were my old broken ones you guys seen in all my videos and stuff. They're all destroyed and like more beat than anything else I've got, but they still hold up. They still did the job. So like, I can't recommend this stuff enough. I mean, I love my FR and I love my Savas. And I love my, Adapt. Just spend some money on some good skates, guys. It really helps to get the better stuff. Anyway, adios.